Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can ship internationally on FedEx. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, you just have to go to the fedex.com. As soon as you do that, you will be able to find this option of how to ship internationally and ship now option. Now before that, I would like you to go to the bottom and see how does international shipping work. Check it out thoroughly, it will be helpful. You can also choose to tap on this video and check out a step-by-step information on how the inside work of the FedEx. To do so, you can see the first one would be the ensuring the item can be shipped as intended, whether your items is shippable. And the second would be your customer broker and determine the terms of sale, right? Then gathering important information, determine which customer documents are required. Then you have to create an international shipping label. You have to complete and submit customer documents, package your item, and get the package to FedEx. This is from your side that you have to do. Next step is all on their side. You just have to go there, drop your package. You can also choose to drop to initiate a pick and drop service as well if you would prefer. Otherwise, go ahead, drop it to their office or to FedEx, and then just let them know provide the documents they have asked, and you're good to go. Do the payment, and when the package has been there, you will get to know it. You can also choose to track it by the given tracking number from FedEx itself. Go ahead, provide that to track it, and that is it. That's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.